Hey friends, Abdul here from Eedemy. Today, we're diving headfirst into the battle of the phases. Yep, it's single phase versus three-phase power. What's the real difference, and does it really matter? In this video, we're breaking it all down in a way even your grandma could understand. No boring lectures, just clear, real-world explanations. Hit that subscribe button, and let's flip the switch on some electric knowledge. We'll cover how each system works, where and why they're used, their advantages, limitations, and which one fits your needs. So whether you're wiring up a house, designing an industrial setup, or just here for the nerdy vibes, this one's for you. Let's plug into it. Let's start with the basics. Single phase versus three-phase power. It's like comparing a bicycle to a sports car. Both get you there, but one's way faster. Single-phase power is the most common form of power supply for residential homes. Single-phase power is a type of alternating current, AC electric power distribution consisting of a live or hot wire and a neutral wire. The voltage in this system alternates in a single sine wave, typically cycling 50 times per second, or as we say, 50 Hertz, in most parts of the world. In North America, 60 times per second, 60 Hertz. Why does the US use 60 Hertz and Europe 50 Hertz? Because early engineers in each region picked different standards, and once systems were built, it was too costly to change. So single phase operates using two wires, one live phase wire and one neutral wire. The alternating current, AC, flows between these two wires, with the phase wire carrying current to the load and the neutral wire completing the circuit. Simple design, like IKEA furniture, fewer parts, easier setup. Lower current draw, ideal for homes where peak demand isn't sky high. The power supply in a single-phase system is delivered in a sinusoidal wave, with peaks and valleys of voltage as the current alternates direction. However, due to the inherent fluctuation in the voltage, single-phase systems may not provide a constant or smooth power supply. The voltage goes up and down like a roller coaster, thrilling for theme parks, not great for electronics. In contrast, three-phase power consisting of three live wires, or phases, and a neutral wire. Each live wire carries an alternating current that reaches its peak at 1/3 of the cycle after the previous phase. This staggered timing ensures that the power delivery is constant and balanced, providing a smoother and more consistent supply of electricity. The three sine waves, each offset by 120 degrees. This method of power distribution is more efficient and reliable for delivering large amounts of electricity over long distances compared to single-phase power. Each live wire carries an alternating current that reaches its peak at 1/3 of the cycle after the previous phase. Since the power is delivered by three alternating currents, there are always power pulses occurring at different times, and it never drops to zero, creating a more continuous and smooth power supply. This is ideal for high-demand equipment. Apart from that, you can find two different types of configurations in a three-phase connection supply, the star and delta, which we will talk about it in detail in separate video, but for now, it is good to keep this in. You mind, star circuit requires a ground and neutral wire. The delta circuit configuration doesn't need neutral wires. Differences between single-phase and three-phase power. While both systems serve the purpose of providing electricity, there are fundamental differences between them in terms of power capacity, efficiency, and application suitability. Single-phase power uses two wires, a live phase wire and a neutral wire plus ground. It's typically used in residential settings where the power demand is relatively low to medium, like for small appliances. The power it provides tends to fluctuate because of the alternating current waves, meaning the flow of electricity isn't as steady. This can make it less efficient for transmitting electricity over long distances. On the other hand, three-phase power uses four wires, three-phase wires and a neutral wire plus ground. It's designed for industrial, commercial, and large residential applications where higher power loads are needed. The power flow is continuous and steady, which makes it much more efficient, especially for running heavy machinery or industrial equipment, because of its ability to handle high-load applications and other energy-demanding machinery. When to use single-phase or three-phase power? In general, single-phase power is sufficient for residential homes and light commercial applications. It is simple, cost-effective, and meets the needs of most household appliances and small machines. However, for large-scale commercial and industrial applications, three-phase power is the clear choice. It offers a more efficient, stable, and powerful solution. capable of running large machinery and meeting the high energy demands of industrial settings. Understanding the differences between these two systems is essential for making informed decisions about electrical systems in your home or business. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow Sparky friends. This is Abdul from Eedemy. See you in the next one.